J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hey there, boys and girls. Today, we are heading over to the alphabet adventure part. We're going to practice all of our letters of the alphabet. Would you like to come with us? Great! Let's get going. We gotta go get Giggo and Roe. They're still in the playroom.
That's letter A.
Giggo, Roe, it's time to go to the alphabet adventure part.
Let's clean up so we can go.
You can finish the rest when we get back this time. I don't want us to miss the train. I am going on an adventure today. I can use my brain while I play. I can't wait to learn and enjoy creation while I use my imagination. Where will we land today?
Welcome! Would you like to go for a fun ride on the alphabet train?
Yes, sir. We are so excited for the alphabet scavenger hunt. What about you, boys and girls? How are you feeling? Do you feel excited for our alphabet scavenger hunt too? I know I do, and I'm so excited to do it with you. Are you ready? Let's go!
Here are your tickets. I hope you have a great time.
All aboard the alphabet train!
This is so exciting. We're ready.
Let's take a ride on the alphabet train. So much to learn, so much to gain. There are so many wonderful things to see as we search for letters A to Z. Climb aboard the alphabet train with me. Let's have fun as we learn to read. Our first stop is the playground.
Miss Tiara, look, I see letters. Me too.
Well, let's see how many letters we can find. Which letters do you see? A, B, C, D. Great job, boys and girls. We found the first 4 letters. A, B, C, and D. Let's add these letters to our alphabet adventure list.
A, B, C, D.
How about you both go play on the playground for a few minutes before we jump back on the train? Giggo, Roe, the train is here. It's time to go.
Miss Tiara, look, I see the pond.
Let's check out the letters. Hold hands and walk carefully on the stones so we can be safe near the water.
Which letters do you see in the pond? Letter E and letter F. Awesome! We found letters E and F.
Wait, Giggo, hold on. There's another letter that I see near the pond. It's letter G.
Great catch, Roby. Giggo, Roe, we found 3 new letters. E, F, and G. Great work! Let's add our new letters to our alphabet adventure list. So far, we have found letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Great work, explorers! Let's go check out the lily pads before we go see the fountain.
Wow! Look at all of these letters. Can you help me name them? H, I, J, K.
Nice searching! We found 4 more letters. We found H, I, J, and K. Let's see what we have now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K. Our next stop is at the picnic area, which is perfect because I know we are all getting hungry. Wow, I see a lot of letters here at the picnic table. Do you see the letters too? Which letters can you find? L, M, N, O, P. Wow, that was a lot of letters. We found L, M, N, O, and P. Great searching. Time to check our list. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. You two go ahead and sit at the picnic table. I'll be right over with your lunch.
Let's search the sandbox for letters. What letters do you see? Q, R, S. Great! We found Q, R, and S.
Let's check our list. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Giggo Roe, come on! Guess where our next stop is? We are heading to the ice cream stand.
Can you help me name all of the wonderful letters we see at the ice cream stand?
T, U, and V. Wonderful! We have 3 more letters. T, U, and V. to add to our alphabet adventure list again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Here you go, friend.
We have one last stop to make today, and it's to the basketball court. Which letters do you see? W, X, Y, and Z. We found W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We did it! We found all of the letters of the alphabet. Amazing job, boys and girls! Let's let Giggo and Roe play a little bit of basketball, and then we are heading out of here.